Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about TA-Lib. TA-Lib means Technical Analysis Library. Okay, it is a Python wrapper uh, based on Python. Okay, now what happens? I suppose if you get with any kind of indicators, okay, such as moving average, okay, or MACD, okay, simple moving average or exponential moving average or Bollinger Bands, okay, you need to write function for them. Okay, so you need to refer the formula and you need to write the functions. Okay, now in this TA-Lib what happens, it is one kind of a wrapper. Now what happens when we used to call this stuff, okay, it is, you know, it is easily available. Okay, just you have to give some of the data input and time period and it will fetch the required things. Okay, and it is one of the best. Okay, so if you compare with other functions, you need to set the benchmark and you need to try all the stuff whether it is correct or not. Okay, but in TA-Lib perfection is there. Okay, so you can go and try to check. TA-Lib, I've been already have the installation of this Python package. Okay, now what happens? I'm not doing this video related to this TA-Lib, okay, because I think if you just call some functions you won't learn. Okay, but from the formula, if you try and if you try certain things and then you set some comparison, then I think that will be good. Because if you are going for any kind of a formula functions, first try from your side, write the functions and try to call. Okay, then compare with the TA-Lib. Okay, so you can see as a benchmark. Okay, and some of the functions I must say that exponential moving average is what you can take it from TA-Lib. Okay, and some of functions I must say that go for the TA-Lib. Okay, so that is how you can do. And some of I think the initial functions are like standard things are available, but if you go with other upcoming functions or a formula, okay, it won't be available. Okay, so you need to aware about these things. Okay, so some of standard things are there which you can utilize, and based on that you can code the stuff and can achieve the results. So that is how you need to go. Okay, so I'm doing this in a virtual environment. Okay, because in main Python package I already have this stuff. Okay, TA-Lib. Okay, so but I need to show it to you how you can do for yourself. That's the reason you need to have a virtual environment. So I've been already done a video. Please go through it, and you required this historical data as well. Okay, from FIAS and LS for that also you can watch the video and get the code. Okay, so it will be very much simple. So as of right now we will go with only installation and check the packages. Okay, so here what we can do, I just go with your terms. You just have to say TA-Lib, just Google search and you will get as a TA-Lib technical analysis library. Okay, so I will show you how you can Google the stuff and can get the package. We will package, I mean the installation, from that you will do it. So what you can do, you will land this page and you can see the complete list as well. Okay, where they are talking about RSI, stochastic, okay, ADX, MACD. So all of the stuff you can see the functions, what are exactly functions are there. Okay, so if you are coding any kind of a functions or format, just check with it. If it is available, just do the installation, all the functions with the time period, and you are good to go. Okay, so I think these are available. Now what happens? Okay, so it is written in C with API also available for Python. So we are not exactly looking for C or C++, but Python, and it is faster than any of packages. So it's better to go with the Python TA-Lib. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to check these wrappers. So it is pandas TA is also there and TA-Lib Python. Okay, so we are going with the TA-Lib Python. Okay, instead of pandas TA, it is up to you which one you want to go, just check with it. Okay, so we have already done a research on these things, so I believe this is better. And if you are facing any kind of issues and need to check with the functions formulas, I think this is also good. Okay, but because I'm doing this stuff, so I recommend this one. Now what happens if I go with the stuff? Okay, as you can see, there is a installation is there. Okay, so if you try with the pip install, okay, because I've been already done an installation, so if I do pip install, it will definitely show me the requirement already satisfied. But in your case, what happens, direct installation will get you error. Okay, so as you can see, it is available, but for you it will give you error. Now what you can do is like you need to get get a particular page. So if you try all the stuff, it will get you error. Okay, but only the wheel file, the Python packages from this one, it will definitely gonna help. The earlier installation I've been done through a pip unofficial, I built from this people only. Okay, so I got this stuff. If I just get with this GitHub and check with their installation, okay, they have been already shown how you can go. Okay, but I need to go with the release package. I need a wheel file. Okay, and that from wheel file I'm gonna do the installation. Okay, so you need to check whether you got 32-bit operating system or a 64. So I have 64. I just click on this one and I will get an installation. So here it is my installation, and I'm particular on the same folder. So you need to check that as well. Okay, so if you get that stuff in the right way, in the right folder, you just have to copy the name. Okay, only the required name is, just say Control A, Control C. Now what happens, all of the installation, it is like it will be very much smooth and simple. Okay, instead of all complicated and waiting for files, this and that stuff. Okay, I think this is better. So if you just Control V, you will get that wheel located whichever it is there. Okay, and just say enter. So you will get that installation and we are perfect to go. Now what happens, we need to check whether we got the installation of packages or not. So all you have to say import TA-Lib and check the directory. So we'll print the directory itself. Okay, so now what happens, we need to run it from here to check whether we are correct or not, and to avoid the confusion as well. Okay, so we need to test it from here, otherwise it will try to take from main or from other Python packages. So in this way you need to test it. Okay, so we got this stuff. Okay, so we got the folders, it means we are perfect. As you can see, some of the indicators is already available that way, so you can check it out. Okay, and some of what I believe is the function list which you need to check. Okay, so as you can see, relative strength index and all of the things it is available, and how you can code this stuff, the some of examples are available. Okay, so stochastic RSI. Okay, so this is, you have to go, and some of examples which we have seen here. Okay, so all you have to say is like TA-Lib.sma, and you have to give the close price and you have to give the time period. So whichever time window you will give, you will get that value. Okay, so that is how you can go for it. Okay, so we'll try this we'll try this one examples. Okay, so from C, what happens, we got a random data such as a close price. Now what happens, we need to get with the simple moving average. Okay, calling that C, and TA-Lib.sma, if you call, just give it the data and the time period which you are looking for. Okay, so that is how you can go. So we'll check the SMA as well. Okay, where the function list says as a simple moving average. Okay, so you need to understand how to get any of these functions. Okay, so you need to check the pages. Okay, first. Okay, so you need to follow as a manual, and then you should go for it. Now what happens, we got this stuff, we will run once again. So as you can see, we get the data. Okay, so the numpy is not referred. Okay, so we'll call them as import numpy as np. So now we'll definitely get the results. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, we are getting the data as is. I mean, the data is not enough, it is too much. Okay, but what we got is a little bit, related to what we have. Okay, so we got the same values. You can check. Okay, so I must say that do the installation and explore further. Okay, I'm definitely gonna do videos related to this stuff. Okay, so I must say subscribe to Profit Adda. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me that via WhatsApp. Thank you.